Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Another day, another video. So in this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make crunchy, crispy and flavorful bhajia. So if you love bhajia, this video or this recipe is for you. Best part of this recipe is that you have the simple ingredients, like we have potatoes. We have these paprika, mixed spices, cayenne powder, and we have salt, each tablespoon, apart from cayenne powder. I don't like very spicy bhajia. And then I have coriander, I have onion also, and I have wheat flour. So guys, it is as simple as that, and let's get started. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and kindly subscribe and watch and share my videos. guys, these are my bhajias. You can see how they are crispy, crunchy and flavorful. Go try this recipe and let me know in the comment section, because hii nayo ili slap. You can have it as a snack, lunch, breakfast. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We see you in the next one. Bye. Let me enjoy my bhajia.